I stand before you today to share my accomplishments as the 5th President of the United States of America. Firstly, I take immense pride in the Monroe Doctrine. Through this bold policy, we asserted America's role in the Western Hemisphere, proclaiming our opposition to European colonization and paving the way for an era of independence and self-determination for the nations of the Americas. Secondly, I championed the acquisition of Florida from Spain. By negotiating the Adams-Onís Treaty, we secured this vital territory, ensuring our southern borders and expanding our influence in the Americas. Thirdly, I am proud of the Missouri Compromise. In a time of great sectional tension, we brokered a delicate agreement, preserving the balance between free and slave states and maintaining the unity of our young nation. Fourthly, I oversaw the expansion of infrastructure through the construction of the Erie Canal. This ambitious project connected the Great Lakes to the Atlantic Ocean, transforming trade, fostering economic growth, and bringing the nation closer together. Lastly, I cherish the establishment of the United States Naval Academy. By creating this esteemed institution, we prioritize the education and training of our naval officers, ensuring the defense and security of our young nation. As I reflect upon my presidency, I am grateful for the unwavering support of the American people. Together, we fostered a sense of unity, expanded our borders, and strengthened our position on the world stage. Let us remember the principles of independence, diplomacy, and progress that continue to guide us as Americans. May we honor the legacy of those who came before us and work tirelessly to build a brighter future for all.